Missing someone. Missing someone. Missing someone. Love with all your heart. Missing someone. Love with heart.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is only a test. We will quickly notify you if there is an actual emergency. If this was an actual emergency, you will be notified if there is a threat of emergency, like severe weather, global attacks, and more. As always, this is only a test. There is no actual...
This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. This is a national emergency. At 2 p.m. local time, the North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected 50 nuclear missiles from an unknown location. These missiles will impact the entire United States within the next 5 minutes. You are advised to seek out a fallout shelter immediately. Fallout is a byproduct of nuclear attacks and explosions. Prolonged exposure to fallout will result in radiation sickness and death. Please stay in your fallout shelter until the fallout has cleared. This will take a few days until the fallout has cleared out. This station will now go off the air. Thank you. God bless the United States of America, and good luck.
Fallout will kill you. There is nowhere to run. Your lair is no longer wide. This is our land now. You cannot escape. America will fall.
This is an emergency action termination. We have confirmed that an individual has broke into the studio and hijacked TV. This individual has been identified as Christopher Martinez. He has been arrested while trying to escape from the police. However, his vehicle was a black 2007 Chevrolet Camaro with New Mexico license plate 1997 AI. The vehicle has been taken to an undisclosed location. Repeating, Christopher Martinez has been arrested, and normal programming will now resume. Your government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. The emergency alert system will now expire. Normal programming will now resume.